Everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing a Lego review of a mock of a monorail station. As you can see, this is the building where people can buy the tickets to go on the monorail or snacks for their trip to the city or wherever they're going. As you can see, I made these beautiful staircases so that the people can get to the monorail. And this is the train tracks for the Lego City trains from 2015 or from 2014 to 2025. And the Lego process I'm using for this build is from the 1980s to early 1990s, and the base plates are from 2015 to 2025. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and please leave a comment in the comment box below, and please share the links to my videos if toy companies want to contact me for future sponsorships. My email is in a link in the description box below, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.